today's tutorial will be on Sego Gele Zara cap. Okay, we'll be using Sego Gele to make this Zara cap. Okay, a client brought this Sego Gele and she wants Zara cap. So this, I'm using Mako. You can see me cutting off the excess. So I'm making use of 2.5. okay, width, and the length is 18 inches. Okay, so this is me measuring it and making sure is the length I want. Okay, thank you guys, I really appreciate you. Thank you for always making time to watch my videos. I really appreciate you. God bless you so massively. Okay, so I'm measuring out the material because it's not stretching material, so I'm using 30 by 15. Okay, 30 by 15, that's what I'm using to make this Zara cap. Okay, this is me trying to measure up and cut out the 13 inches. Okay, making sure it will fit very well. Okay, because the material is not quite enough, so I'm trying to make sure is accommodating what I want to do. Okay, so I'm making sure I am not losing any piece because it's not enough for this Zara cap, but I will manage it. Okay, all right guys, so see, I've cut out the material and I'm trying to get the middle and also the middle of the Mako, okay, to make sure they are equal in size. Okay, so now I will insert it. Okay, after getting the middle of both, insert it and take it to your sewing machine and sew it down. So I'm using pin to secure it so it doesn't pull out. Okay, where I'm trying to sew. Okay, so guys, what you see in my tutorials, are you getting knowledge? Are you understanding what I'm doing? So if you don't, please always use the comment section to drop your comments. Okay, where I need to adjust, where I need to do it well for you to grab it, please don't hesitate to always drop it on the comment. This is me sewing down the Mako with the material. Okay, I've just finished sewing it, so I'm taking you to the process step by step. Okay, closing it up now with 13. Okay, I'm closing it up with 13. Okay, sorry, not 13 because it's not a stretching material. I'm closing up with 15 because I cut 30, so I'm closing with the full length of the material. Okay, which is 15. Okay, so guys, this is me after sewing. Okay, making sure that it's well secured, it does not get loose when the client put it on her hair. Okay, so guys, so what do you think? What do you have for me? Please drop your comment. Always drop your comment. I'm always there waiting for your comment to respond. Okay, I'm making sure that it's not loose because I'm just managing the material. Okay, to make sure it's well sewn and there's no loose places. Okay, so I'm trying to turn it over. Okay, this is it. So our Zara cap base is ready, so it's now for us to use the remaining material to form our design at the back. So we are okay, this is me. Okay, I'm trying to make a bow tie. Okay, I'm making a bow tie for this Zara cap. Okay, I'm just managing the material, so it's not much, but at least it's manageable and it's come out fine. And I'll be using crinoline, okay, to insert into it so as to make it firm. You know, Sego Gele is very light, very light, so I will use crinoline to insert inside where sewing it. I'm going to do the same thing for the two bows. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time of watching my tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also turn up your notification bell so you know when I upload new tutorials. I always upload at least 3 or 4 times in a week. Okay, because this is basically what I do. So mostly every day I do new tutorials, but for me to get it and post it, it takes time, so I post 3 or 4 times in a week, so you can actually come in and watch my videos after I have sewn and flipping it over, okay, using my scissors, okay, to flip it over, making sure also using my hand to make sure that the thing is well positioned, okay, before forming the bow tie. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate you. Thank you. If you have watched so far, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe and also turn your notification bell. Okay, so if there's anything you want me to explain on this video, please drop it on the comment section. I'm waiting there to respond to all your comments. So guys, I really appreciate you for always coming to watch my tutorials. I love you and appreciate you. Okay, your own no go spoil you as you keep on coming to watch, to learn. Okay, and I also want to ask, if I hope you're learning something, I hope you're getting something from my tutorials. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, because the aim for you to know how to do is a DIY channel, so for you to grab something and use it for yourself, can use it for your home, to produce for your family, your children, your loved ones. Also use it as a business, because I'm using it as a business. This is what I do. Okay, this is what I do, this is my business. So this is me forming the bow tie. Okay, forming the bow tie. I'm going to do the same for the two. Okay, because I'm using the two, and that's the remaining material. That is just the remaining material, the material that remain. Okay, so after using the needle and thread, I also roll the thread over so that it doesn't lose out. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so I'll do the same. So now this means the two is ready, so I'll use my needle and thread as well to hold it together, tight it together before attaching it to the Zara cap. Okay, before attaching it to the Zara cap. So guys, thank you for always coming by, thank you for always stopping by, thank you for always watching my video. I cannot thank you enough. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for your subscription, your like, your comment, and sharing my videos. You can see it's well positioned. You can see the way it looks like, so beautiful. The bow tie have turned to rose. So now I'm going to run a running stitch on the Zara cap to make it firm, to make it look like cap. Now it look like bag. I can put a handle on both sides and I'm off I go. That is my bag. All our cap resemble a bag. Okay, they all resemble bag. So I'm using the same length. There is no space, so I'm using the same length because it's a Sego Gele. It is not a stretching material, so I'm using the same length of the material. So I'm trying to check. I see the same length, so that is what I'm using. Okay, to secure it, to make sure it enter firm on my client's head. Okay, so keep watching and learning, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I really appreciate every bit of it. Thank you guys. This is me securing, coming back from where I started so that it will be firm. I don't go once, I do all my cap twice so that it will be firm. Before it can get loose, you need to use scissors to cut it, or any sharp object to cut it. Okay, so I do it 2 times and I bring it from where I started and tie it. Now it's ready. Our Zara cap is ready. So now it's for us to attach our bow tie rose. This is our bow tie rose. Wow. So this is me trying to attach it, okay, to the Zara cap, to give it a fine look, beautiful look at the back. Okay, so trying to hold it. There's no special way in tacking it anyway. You just hold it, just bring this one and bring this one and join them together. and use your needle and thread to hold this out, so both of them will become one. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Do you get it? So I'm adding these two together, stitching them together, so two will become one now. You can see that. So guys, this is me. Don't mind me, I'm a funny person. Okay, so guys, so this is me making sure that it's well secured, well tightened. There's no special way, just do it, hold it every angle, making sure that it doesn't fall up. So now I've done. So now I have this applique. Okay, I will be using it to cover the back where I use the needle and thread to tack. Okay, and also bringing beauty to the Zara cap. It's also bringing beauty to the Zara cap. Okay, so I'm using my hot glue gun, okay, to make sure it's well secured. Okay, put your hot glue, make sure your hot glue is hot. Okay, you put it and you paste it there, and that is it. Thank you guys, see you again in my next